Good morning, all of you. So today's our topic is DCM, that is Device Connect and Manage. It is also called as DNA of IoT, that is Device, Networks and Application. So these two terms are quite popular in IoT, that is DCM and DNA. So DNA of IoT is Device, Network and Application. So let's start with the topic. So what are the devices? What is connect and what do you mean by manage? So these three are the basic building blocks of IoT as we studied in our unit number 1 that there are some sensors, some objects, some devices that could be on hardware layer, or you can call it as a sensor layer that can be communicated or that can exchange the information, that collects the data and they pass it on with the help of some medium like wired or wireless network to the database servers or clouds or any what will say controller, and on that account the actuators are act upon or the data is being processed. Okay, so this is what the logic or idea of the IoT. So these three basic building blocks, that is device, connect and manage. You can see the three layer architecture of the uh, IoT system, that is sensor layer. You can see here, this is the sensor layer, this is the network layer, and this is the application layer. So these three layers and the DCM is mapped with the DNA. I will tell you some historical evidence that Tong Fang Co Limited, this they acronym the term DCM, that is Device Connect Manage, in 2005. Later in 2008, Numerex Corp, that is quite popular company in IoT inventions, is giving a better specific or new term, that is DNA of IoT, DNA of IoT, device, network, and application. Okay, they are mapped with this. Um, so further, this three-layer architecture is further been specialized to the nine-layer architecture that we will discuss later. But first, understand these three layers. So device, they are physical hardware on these sensor layers. Physical devices, you can see the mobile phones, video cameras, sensors, electricity sensors. These sensors are append with this transformation monitoring system. These worker locations can be tracked with the help of their mobile locations. So they this type of IoT devices and sensors uh, are rely in this sensor layer or physical layer. The data exchange or sharing is done with the network. So this could be a cellular network, wireless sensor network, any ad hoc sensor network. Okay, or you can satellite, through satellite also the communication happens. Any kind of network, whether it could be a wired media or wireless media. And in application layer, here the interaction with the users can happen, and the specific purpose or output results can be managed with this layer, application layer. So I hope you understand these three layers architecture of IoT and what is the DNA of IoT or DCM of IoT. Okay, further this architecture is specialized into next three nine-layer architecture. I'll just name that nine layers. You can understand that first one. From I'm starting from device, then connectivity, then data collection. So try to understand the architecture. First, there are some sensors or some hardware devices that you are going to connect to each other through wired or wireless media, then data collection can happen. Sensors can sense the data and it passes to the controller or server or database. Okay, so this kind of communication happens. So after data collection, there is a communication. Then the device management. Someone should monitor this activity. Okay, so that is management level. Then some rules are applicable, some protocols are there that should be followed. Then administration, then application, and last one, that last layer or last step is integration, that your IoT system can be upgraded or it could be adopted by the environment. You can easily change your sensors. You can easily remove or add devices to the IoT architecture. So these three layers further specialize to the 9-layer architecture in IoT. But your examination, the question could be like, what is the DCM and what is the reference with IoT, or what is DNA of IoT? That type of question could be asked. At that time, you need to draw the diagrams and explain it properly. So that's it for today. Thank you.